Hello and welcome guys. Let's understand question 4. Using elementary transformations, find the inverse of each of the matrices if it exists in exercises 1 to 17. The matrix is 2, 3, 5, 7. The answer is A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. A is equal to IA. This symbolizes 2, 3, 5, 7 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. And now we'll multiply row 1 with 2 and subtract it from row 2. After multiplying row 1 with 2, we'll get and subtracting it from row 2, we'll get 2, 3, 1, 1 is equal to 1, 0 minus 2, 1 into A. Now we'll multiply row 2 with 3 and subtract it from row 1. After performing these operations, after multiplying row 2 with 3, we'll get 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3. And minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, 1 into 3 is 3. Now after subtracting it from row 1, we'll get 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. And 1 plus 6 is 7, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So the resulting matrix will be minus 1, 0, 1, 0 is equal to 7 minus 3 minus 2, 1 into A. Now we'll add the row 1 and row 2. And by adding, we'll get minus 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 7 minus 3, 5 minus 2 into A. Now we'll take minus sign as common from row 1. And after taking minus sign as common, we'll get 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to minus 7, 3, 5 minus 2 into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to minus 7, 3, 5 minus 2. I hope you understood. Bye. See you with the next question.